Hello Anna, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, representing a personal video for you for the 2013 Kawasaki ZX1000H, 12,431 kilometers, and the bike is very clean. Fully safety certified, it's including the price of $85.88 plus HST and licensing. As you can see, this motorcycle comes with extra accessories. The bubble windshield dark has nice levers. It's called NSB lever. Comes with a knee and thumb protector. A solo seat cover. It's called the seat out, and they make a nice sound with aquaphobic exhaust. This motorcycle has an integrated tail at the back and comes with a brand new tire strong rear. Very clean, and the most important is available at this time. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.